Sri Gurubhya Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Through this we have started learning about safety and first aid. Now I am going to teach you the topic, the first aid treatment for the nose bleeds. Okay, we have seen about when cuts and scratches comes, how do we can give a first aid treatment to the victim. The secondary is for nose bleeds. When there is a bleeding from the nose, how do we can give a treatment, first aid treatment to the patient? No, first keep the patient upright, okay, make them to stand straight in a comfortable position. I'll be standing or sitting, we have to make them to feel comfortable. Then tilt the head just upward, okay. So this is the first step, we have to give a first aid treatment to the for nose bleeding patient. First make them to feel comfortable and just tilt upward the head. Then press the bleeding side of the nose firmly, okay. Just if the bleeds from between the two nostrils, one side through the one nostril, when the bleed comes, just to the sides have to keep press gently, okay. So this will help them to stop bleeding for some more time. Then what is the second step we have to take? No, first make them feel comfortable, just tilt upward the head, then press the side from where the bleeds from the nose, okay. Then keep an ice pack or wet cloth on the nose and the head of the patient, okay. So after second treatment, second step, what we have to give to the patient? No, can apply a wet cloth or can keep an ice pack. Ask the patient to breathe through the mouth, not to their nose. Since the bleeding is taking through the nose, so we have to ask them to breathe through the mouth, not through the nose. So what will happen when they breathe through nose? No, the blood again against this, it goes back to the head. So it will also make the pain severe. So due to that, we have to ask the victim to breathe through the mouth, not through the nose. Then a little bit of bleeding from the nose is harmless. Obviously, when the bleeding, okay, blood is bleeding very little, means nothing to worry. So it is harmless. Nothing will happen after some time when you keep ice cubes or wet cloth. Otherwise, what I have to do? We have to, if the bleeding is heavy, so make the patient to send for the doctor to the further treatment. So whatever it may be, after the first aid treatment, we have to send the victim to the doctor for the further treatment. Under the doctor treatment only, we can bring back them for the treatment. So this is about first for nosebleeds. Second case is for sprains. So what is sprains? Means when the tissue around a joint get torn, okay. There is a tissues around the joint get torn, we can call that is a sprain. So sprain causes, so what will happen, okay. So here this is the example I have given here. When the tissue get torn, called ligament torn, is so there the place, what will happen? No, it becomes swellings, okay. The particular place becomes swollen. After some time, the color of the skin get changes, can call discoloration, okay. What is the sprain? No, tissue get torn, the tissue called ligaments get torn, that can call as a sprain. So what will happen? The particular place becomes swollen, the color of a skin get changed, we can call that is discoloration. So keep on applying an ice pack or ice cubes. So this is the basic treatment we can give at home, okay. Can use the ice pack or ice cubes on the injured joint. How long we can apply the ice packs? No, until the swelling gets subsides. So till that we can use the ice cubes or ice packs on the sprain area. So that is the first step for the sprain and then nose. Next is fractures. So what is fracture? Means a crack or a break. A crack or a break in a bone called as the fracture, okay. So when fracture comes, sure it will give a severe pain. The victim cannot tolerate the pain. So we have to make them calm and then we need to give a support. So we have to make them to calm and then most important, we should avoid unnecessary movement. when there is a crack or a break in a bone. So how do we can make the avoid unnecessary movement? No, by giving a support. That support is called as a splint. Okay, a splint to give a support to the broken bone and try to avoid unnecessary movement. So by using of the splint, a splint can be the material which are available at the home, newspapers or cardboard or a cloth. Okay, so we can use those materials for a support. That is called as a splint. So which will help to avoid unnecessary movement. So due to that, at the time we can avoid a person feels a severe pain. Next material which can be used as a support to avoid unnecessary movement when the person got a fracture means a sling. What is sling? A sling made from a triangular piece of, see here, triangular piece of cloth like a swing. Okay, the who got hurt in the hand, so this is how by using a cloth has been tied. Due to that, what will happen? No, so these hand cannot able to move, so then they can avoid a movement in the hand, then they can feel free, they will not feel pain. So due to what? No, by using of this sling. So what is a sling? No, a triangular piece of cloth. This cloth used is giving a support to the victim. So the person who got hurt, who got crack or break in a bone, the splint or sling can be help them to avoid unnecessary movement. So these are the necessary step is required for the patient who got hurt or a fracture or nose bleeds. So I hope this will help you to proceed in your home. Thank you children. We'll see you on next video. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you.